Welcome to Penn State Up Close. I'm Justin, and today I'm going to show you how to access and read your Penn State Financial Aid Award Summary. This summary will outline your costs and any aid that you're eligible for, including scholarships, grants, loans, and work study. To access your award summary, you'll need to go online to lionpath.psu.edu. New students can also link to LionPath through their My Penn State portal. Once you're on LionPath, enter your Penn State user ID and password. From there, select the My Finances tab on the upper right, and then click Financial Aid on the left. Now you want to select the aid year you wish to view. This will show you a breakdown of the estimated aid that you've received for the fall and spring semesters, as well as a total for that academic year. From here, you can click on View Aid Award Detail to view your complete financial aid award summary. This is a complete summary of your estimated billable expenses and aid. The first section, Estimated Billable Expenses, outlines your cost for the year, including tuition and fees and room and meals if you're planning to live on campus. You can see a breakdown of these costs by line item and by semester, as well as a grand total. The next section, Estimated Financial Aid, outlines all the aid that you've received, including scholarships, grants, loans, and work study. Like the previous section, your aid is broken down by line item and semester, including a grand total. The next section, Total Estimated Payment to the University, subtracts the estimated financial aid that you've received from your estimated billable expenses to determine your estimated payment to the university. This is your remaining balance after aid is applied. The section at the bottom of the page, Estimated Non-Billable Expenses, outlines additional expenses that you may incur during the school year, including buying books and supplies, transportation, and miscellaneous expenses. These non-billable expenses are estimated and will vary by student. We include these expenses to help you budget and plan, but Penn State will not bill you for items listed in this section. On the right side of the page, you'll find a link to financing strategies to assist you with paying your balance owed and non-billable expenses, including Federal Direct Plus loans, private alternative loans, and Penn State's installment payment plan. The maximum amount that you can borrow with a plus or private alternative loan is your total estimated cost of attendance, which includes both billable and non-billable expenses, minus any financial aid you're already receiving. The next section outlines satisfactory academic progress and provides a link for you to view your SAP status. Satisfactory academic progress is a set of requirements that must be met to maintain financial aid eligibility. It's important to review and understand this information so that you don't risk losing your financial aid. The final section, Required Actions, outlines important steps to take to prevent delays in the processing of your aid, including accepting, declining, or decreasing your awards, and responding to holds and to-do list items. You can review a comprehensive list of action items that need to be completed by clicking on the Next Steps button. That's it. That's how you access and read your Penn State Financial Aid Award Summary. If you have questions about student aid, you can contact our Office of Student Aid through our website, studentaid.psu.edu.